What have you done today in English? If you can answer this question, you can speak fluently.
Hey, Paul. Good morning.
Good morning, Emily. How are you today?
I'm a little tired, but I'm okay.
What have you done today so far?
Let me think. I've just woken up, and I've had some coffee.
That's a good start. I've already finished my workout.
Wow, really? I haven't exercised yet.
You should try. I've felt much better since I started.
I've never tried morning workouts before.
Have you eaten breakfast yet?
No. I haven't eaten breakfast yet.
Why not?
I've checked my phone. I've replied to messages, but I haven't eaten.
That happens a lot. I've already prepared my breakfast.
What have you eaten?
I've had eggs, toast, and fruit.
That sounds healthy. I've only drunk coffee today. Paul, I'm confused. What's the difference between just, already, and yet? Good question.
I've just finished. Very recent. I've already finished. Sooner than expected. I haven't finished yet. Still waiting.
Let me try. I've just started learning seriously. I've already improved a lot, but I haven't become fluent yet. That's perfect. What about your work today? I've done a few things. I've written emails. I've joined a meeting, but I haven't finished my report yet. That's okay. You've made progress. What about you? I've completed 3 tasks already. Wow. You've been productive.
Have you ever worked late at night?
Yes, I have. I've worked late many times.
Have you ever felt stressed?
Yes. I've felt stressed a lot.
Same here, but I've learned how to manage it.
I've never learned that. Paul, quick question. What's the difference between gone and been?
He has gone to the store. He is still there. He has been to the store. He went and came back.
Oh, now I understand. I've met many interesting people this year.
Really? What have you learned?
I've learned that consistency is important. I've changed my habits, and I've improved a lot.
That's amazing. Say 3 sentences about your day.
I've had coffee. I haven't eaten yet. I've checked my phone.
Perfect. If you want to speak English fluently, start with your daily life.
Ask yourself every day, what have I done today?